After creating your account on GitLab, open up the terminal and then open up the Linux tab. Or you can just open up your Git Bash. Then just type in the command git config --global user.email and then quotation with your email address and then quotation. And go ahead and run that, and then you'll be prompted to create a new local password. Then to generate your SSH key, just use this command: SSH-key gen space -t space RSA space -b space 2048 space -c, and then space quotation your email address and then end quotation. You'll just press enter to run the command, and then a key will be generated. Copy that key, then pull up a web browser and log into your GitLab account. And at the top right hand corner, search SSH key. Click SSH keys under the settings. Then paste the key into the box and click add key. Congratulations, you're connected to your GitLab. In our next video, we'll show you how to add a website to GitLab and how to update it with Git. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.